So it's getting real serious now. It's 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. And can y'all hear that? This is ice. This is ice. Little ice bobbies. Look at that. So it's not snow anymore. This is ice. Let's look at our pipe. And you can kind of see it, the ice. So this is an hour later. The snow had kind of dropped off. And this is ice coverage. Oh, wow, look at it popping over the... Ooh, this is when it's gonna get serious. People are like, oh, it's not that bad, because it just been snowing, but now it's ice, and you can hear it on the tin. We definitely have ice at this point. All right, check back in with y'all in an hour later.